This is my aquarium. We already have albino Oscar fishes, small, and this is sucker cat. This is rainbow shark and tiger Oscar. Today on 5th July 2023, we have bought 7 more pairs of tiger Oscar fishes and copper gold Oscars, and we are going to live in this tank. We are going to release these new Oscar fishes into our aquarium tank to live along with these albino Oscars. Finally, we have released new Oscar fishes in the aquarium tank. Now we have albino Oscar fishes, tiger Oscar fishes and copper gold Oscar fishes in this tank, along with one rainbow shark and the big monster sucker cat. This is my aquarium, 3 feet length, 1.5 feet height and 1.5 feet width. And we have a great setup of Australian parrots, budgies.